Here, I'll show you how to set feature photo as your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone call background. Go to your phone app. Here, tap on this three dot. Tap on settings. Under call settings, you have to tap on this call background option. Here, you find your current call background. Now tap on background. And here we can see the featured section. Now tap on feature. And now from this featured section, you can go ahead and select a different photo or a video as your phone call background. Or if you want to use your phone gallery, photo or video as your call background, then here go down and tap on gallery. And now you will be able to easily choose a photo or a video from your gallery to use as your call background. So this is how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.